Okay guys, today we're here at 12th Man. We're going to do a food review here. Bring you down a little bit. Yeah, so we're all on the coke today. A bit of a late night last night. So we thought we'd come out for some lunch today. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Wait till we bring the food out and we'll do a review on the food. See you in a minute.
Hi guys, in the 12th Man today. Oops, sorry it's a bit here, there and everywhere. You see me alright? We're doing a bit of a food review for them. So I have had the Hunter's chicken.
Hi everyone, so I've had the steak pie.
Hi guys, yeah, 12th Man. I've gone for the salad, tuna salad. So we got it. Looks very nice. Yeah, I'm going to eat it now and let you know what we think afterwards. It's nice and packed up here. It's nice and sunny today, 22 degrees. Perfect place to be. See you in a minute. Yeah guys, that was absolutely brilliant. That's really nice salad, tuna salad, well presented. Absolutely just hit the spot, that did. So yeah, clean plates. I think everybody enjoyed it. Are you ready, sir, or are you going to sneeze? Oh, bless you.
Okay.
You're right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Going round to Sue now. We do Marcus last because he's over the other side. Alright, just bring you around. Can you see you, Sue?
Hi, yeah. So I had the Hunter's chicken. It was absolutely gorgeous. Lots of bacon and cheese on top. Nice little side salad, homemade chips. Really tasty. Loads of it as well. I'm absolutely stuffed now. I think I need a siesta after all that. And a nice clean plate. And then I'll just pass you around to going the wrong way. Take it round, sorry.
Oh, bit too high. Right guys, so I had the homemade steak pie. Absolutely gorgeous. Crust falls apart in your mouth. Steak's just so rich and juicy. Lots of sexy gravy on it as well. Can't beat it guys. If you're ever in Benidorm, come down to 12th Man, pop in, say hi to Robbie and the gang. Tell them Benidorm Crazy Marcus sent you as well guys. Back over to Mad Mike now.
Yeah guys, as Marcus said, come and support 12th Man. Come and see if you can get in on the terrace. It is 1st of February today, obviously, and the terrace is packed. Nice sunny day though, about 22 degrees, as I said earlier. It's a great place to come and have a lunch. Absolutely brilliant in the sun. I think I'll give it 10 out of 10 for food today. Really well presented, really nice.
10 out of 10 for me as well.
10 out of 10 from Sue. And Marcus?
10 out of 10.
There you are, got 3 10 out of 10. So come and have a look, guys. I'm going to do a few of these food reviews. Yeah, we've picked 2 of the best food ones to start with, I think. So we'll see how we go. So So we'll see you on the next one, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.